Tangara Technology Upgrade. Notice this is different too. For this backrest there. It's pretty tight. Shame what else they've done. They've removed the pillar here and bent it around, create a regular handrail. Got off Penshurst and should tell you this Tangara set shortly. Now departing for Cronulla service. Oh yeah, there you go. T32 being the rear half of the set I was on. Yeah, the other end of the train had the, I think it's to do with the ATP installment, but I was just showing you the installments on the train that they haven't installed the electricals yet, but they've already put the installments in, so that's all I was going to show you, plus the new handrail upgrades they've done on the top deck. So yeah, anyway, I'll wrap it up. So I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that bell. Thank you. See ya.